How to stream on Kick with phone. Hi there, in this video we will be learning on how we will be able to stream here on kick.com using your mobile phone. I have here the Kick application to see if we will have the option to stream using the application. What you can do is go to your profile, that's on the lower right corner of the screen. That's the icon for profile here. And when you go to your profile, you can go to your account. But what you actually need to do to start streaming is go to settings. And as you can see here, settings is currently not available yet for Kick application. So what you can do is open your browser on your mobile phone and then just search for kick.com. All you have to do is log in into your Kick account. And once you are successfully logged in, you can just go to your profile and go to settings. Here you just need to click on stream URL and key. And from there, you will be able to start streaming with kick.com. So since you'll be using your mobile phone instead of using the stream key and URL, you actually need to use recreate. That's the blue button at the bottom. And it will redirect you to Restream's website where you will need to create an account or sign in if you already have a Restream account. Here, so once you have successfully logged in, it actually asks for your channel URL, which is the https kick.com/your username. You'll also need the stream URL here and also the stream key. You just need to copy these details and place it here on the box provided accordingly. And once you have everything filled out, you can definitely start to add this channel on Restream, and you can definitely start streaming, whether it could be a live stream or a recorded stream here with your Kick account. So I'm just filling it out here. Username, and then the RTMP URL, which is your stream URL that you can see on your Kick account, and then just copy as well the stream key here. Once done, just click on add channel. And when you click on add channel, you will be redirected to another page where you can start streaming with your Kick here on your mobile phone. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.